Welcome to NASA Challenge 2024. We live in a world of constant changes. According to NASA's data, our planet is transforming faster than ever. Today, we want to highlight how changes in our world shape our memories and happiness. We know that the world is changing, but at the same time, it is throwing some challenges towards us. If all that glitters is truly gold, will our next generation enjoy the spaces as we do? It is our duty to ensure that the beauty we cherish today remains for tomorrow. NASA's satellite shows an alarming increase in carbon dioxide and methane, which is trapping heat in our atmosphere like a heavy blanket. Warmer temperature don't just make us sweat, they dry out the land. Water, our most precious resource, is now under threat. The very element that sustains our life is becoming poisoned. What begins as a drought can quickly turn into a flood, a dangerous cycle that's repeating itself across the world. Heat waves are becoming a regular part of our life. They are not just hotter, they are deadlier now. Our main goal with Disaster Hero is to educate players about natural disasters using real NASA data. It's not just a game, it's a way to be ready for whatever comes next. Let us get introduced with the team members and the India Shorker, game designer and editor. Afrin Dolna will be working as a researcher, Redwan Islam, UI UX designer, Yasin Ahmed Shubo, developer. We are working on NASA Apps Challenge Group Protocol Games. Team Disaster Hero is presenting you a mobile game app where you can explore and analyze the real NASA resources to learn about natural disasters in a fun and engaging way. You'll also gain valuable knowledge to stay informed and prepared for the future. With NASA's explained missions, you'll explore the work of satellites. The 3D mode button lets you explore a dynamic 3D globe, providing a flexible view of Earth and its satellite observations. Through mini-games, they can plant trees and thus they can see the environment. They can also visit the polluted city as well. NASA's Apple API has been used to see the picture of the day. Picture of the globe will present the Earth's satellite image. Let us select our challenge. Before going to the game, let us know what is heat wave, as knowledge is power.
Smile and learn.
Here, the resources have been taken from Globe Protocol, based on which the story will go ahead. We can use the slider to change the picture according to the temperature. By pressing the line graph, we can see the different temperature. We can also update the graph by using the resources. Now, let us start the story. The story will go ahead based on the player choice. Consider a group of scientists working on different environmental issues. Suddenly, they notice changes on the Earth's temperature. The player can collect the data by using satellite. Thus, he can observe the temperature. But what if the player wants to launch a satellite? Here, the satellite is sending the unusual image in the first scenario. Our main motive was to make players know about the disaster by analyzing the NASA resources so that we can make our upcoming generation ready for any further challenges in the future. Thus, they will understand the importance of the green. They will also understand how every component of the Earth is engaged with our survival on the Earth.